Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be a Honda City's new generation of 5th generation. So this is a 5th generation vehicle. So it's a manual transmission, and so this is a engine of manual transmission, diesel variant. So this is a diesel engine, completely matte black finishing on the engine. So vehicle is some dusty now, sorry for that, and completely insulation on the engine board and no hydraulic studs. So this is the engine. So let's close now. So it has been closed now. So these are the LEDs of headlights. So completely LEDs. I have did already walk around video on this vehicle, but that is a automatic transmission. So this is a manual transmission. So this is completely LEDs on headlights. So nice treatment on the headlights, and here you can see the projected setup of fog lamps, tuning hook. So placement is here. So massive chrome on the front, and here you can see the Honda badge, and I like this bumper of the front. This is a number plate placement. So this is the front of the Honda. Coming to the side, tire profile is, see the massive dual tone chrome treatment on the alloy wheels. I like this alloy wheels, 185, 55, 16 inches of profile of this tire, and nice tire, 16 inches tires. And this is the side profile of Honda City, all new City badge stickering there. So this is a side view mirrors, automatic open. Well, this is a party trick here is that you should not operate with this button, and it's a manual. So when you're keeping a hand, it will automatically lock the vehicle, and also it will automatically open the vehicle. So very nice cool treatment on that. And this is a side profile of all new Honda City 5th generation. I have shared already. And one more party cool trick is, this is the keys of this, and when you're pressing this button, see while pressing this harder button of second or lock open, all the doors, all the side windows are down together, 4 side windows. So there you can see cool party trick. And also sunroof also opens with this total 5 windows. So it's now half as open. So now dusty vehicle, sorry for that. And again pressing this button, so all the 4 windows will be automatically open. So very cool and party trick here. And here you can see the tail light, and very nice treatment from the BMW platform, and nice. I like these LEDs on tail light, very nice look, and from the attractive look. And here you can see the cool, there are 2 partitions in the tail light, very nice ZV. And this is a VTEC engine and Honda badge. Again, I have shown already all this vehicle or walk around video of this vehicle in the front. So link in the description, please go and check that. And let's open the boot. So this is a boot, decent enough, nice finishing on the boot, also very nice treatment. And this is a boot size, and here you can see the full size spare wheel, and also with alloy, very nice 16 inches tires, and nice. Here you can see the camera in detail. So these are the sensors, 4 sensors of back, and here you can see the reflector. I like the design of the reflector. And this is a petrol lid of design, very nice of Honda City design of petrol lid, also chrome treatment door handles. So cool opening the doors, very nice soft touch open of the doors. And here you can see the again black and white treatment, as if I said on the older video, same treatment, same interior design. So I am thinking that not waste the time of this video. And this is a holder, very nice, strong, and bottle holder, chrome treatment on the door handles. And my back, 3 people can easily sit, as if I said. And very nice, comfortable and airy feeling inside the cabin, very nice. And this piano black finishing touch of center LED lights and door handles. There is no adjustable of headrest 3, as if I said in the older video. Sunblind manually adjustable down, and cool white and black future. Here you can see 2 charging sockets, and these are the AC vents of the rear, very nice treatment. And overall interior design I like, of course, obviously in the Honda City of back, very nice. Coming to the front, this is a front door, and here you can see the power windows, adjustable, and lock system and unlock system open. So this is a side view mirrors, adjustable system. This is a chrome treatment on the door handle, very noisy at the outer side. First is first. So now your engine has start, and now it is cool. So same dashboard, plain dashboard as compared to 4th generation. It is very drama in the 4th generation. Now it has been become very silent and neat dashboard, and now the vehicle is very tasty. It has been with me with 2 days and I have been washed. So this showroom guys has said to wash the vehicle, but I have no time to wash at all. And here you can see the panoramic sunroof, very small but massive enough to the airy feeling inside the cabin. And from here you can see operate the sunroof. Yeah, very nice cool treatment on the sunroof. Yeah, so this is auto dimming inside the inside, and under the center armrest some space to keep, and this is coin holders, and as if I said, and handbrake some space. So decent enough of glove box, and nice leather treatment here. And here you can see the wood finishing treatment line, and 3 colors, black, white, brown, very nice treatment. And I like this cream treatment on this interior, as if I said. So these are the lights for the front, nice touch piano black finishing, and this is 8-inch touchscreen, very nice touchscreen. So let's listen the volume, audio sound. Nice audio system, decent sound and not so drama. It has Apple CarPlay or Android Apple, and also a Honda app connectivity, has a light ear, 18-inch touchscreen, and nice treatment. And quit Bluetooth apps, settings, language, clock, display, opening screen, smartphone, rear camera. So I didn't show the rear camera in this. So this is a rear camera, very dull at daytime. I don't know guidelines on this rear camera, but it is not adaptive. So rear camera very dull. I dislike that. I don't like that treatment. Very not at all clarity at all. So waste of that. And here to keep mobile holder, some space, and charging socket, USB ports to charging 12-volt charging socket. And overall nothing to say, same display as if I said in the older video. Please go to the link in the description and watch the video. And coming to the here on the instrument cluster is a cruise control. Yeah, here you can see this is a digital meter, and this is a manual meter. And digital meter, here I will show tachometer. So here you can see it's a digital meter, tachometer, range, speed, time, G meter, settings. So in settings, default warning system, meter setup, light, etc. So customized display. So hide and show, only 2 variants on the customized display. So information, current, no information, etc. So this is a digital meter. We can operate from here, these buttons, and these are for the volume, and these buttons for infotainment system, and this is for instrument cluster system operate, and this is cruise control. So overall steering is nice. At the steering is bottom at downside, and nice to feel, very softer side, nice stitching on the steering, very nice treatment. I like the treatment on steering. And I have forgot that these buttons for high light adjustable on instrument cluster. So here you can see. So if you want to reduce the light in the instrument cluster, from here you can operate plus and minus buttons. So very nice treatment. And traction control button is here. Yeah, on off button, traction control. These are the adjustable of high beam and low beam. And this button is for rain sensors on off button. So this is for rain sensor on off. So nice treatment. And these are the indicators to operate the indicators. So these buttons are for to operate the indicator. These are for, this lever is for this lever is for wipers. So here you can see nice spray on offer, and blades are too good and very nice. So I don't like this screen, very not at all satisfied me. And this is a digital meter for auto climate control. So overall nice treatment and airy feeling inside the cabin, as if I said. So this is a walk around interior video of manual transmission of Honda City. Let's go to test drive and see. So sorry for that. Mirror, no light on offer. So this is the interior of Honda City 5th generation manual transmission diesel variant. Let's go to test drive and see for the performance, speed, etc. So hey guys, this is a Honda City of only 5th generation. This is a manual variant of diesel. So now I'm in first gear. Let's launch the car. So here you can listen the wheel spin of rear. It's a front wheel drive, also a wheel spin on the rear. Very nice, and brakes are too good. Very fast revving motor, and I don't know the sound which has been coming from the engine. So cabin is noisy of the engine sound. Transmission sound is somehow higher side, but not so as compared to the manual auto transmission. Manual transmission somehow far better than the auto. So gearbox is also smooth, and steering feedback is very nice, and no body on roll. So it's not a body on roll car, as if you know. Suspension is very nice, and stiffer side not so stiffer also. It's a smooth side. Very punchy engine, better, far better than the auto. Manual transmission is, diesel engine is very nice. I like the diesel engines better than the petrol. So this engine is very nice, cool, and better 100 times better than that. So this is a 1497cc engine, diesel manual. The bhp is 97 bhp of power at 3600 rpm and 200 newton meters of torque at 750 rpm, as Honda said. So very refinable engine, BS6. The turning radius is very nice. At the edges in the curves, very smooth and refined. So at 2000 rpm the engine is very fast revving, and gear shifting is somehow faster, better than auto. I like manual engines. See the turning radius of 5.2 meters of this Honda City new generation. Very nice. Suspension is very nice. Brakes are too good I can say. Overall vehicle performance is awesome than the auto. So when you're downshifting 2500 rpm, it is soon revving, and transmission sound is somehow harder side. I don't know, it's a refinable engine but also a harder side of transmission, but gearbox is too good. Steering feedback is very nice. This is diesel engine. The mileage of this vehicle is 24 kilometers per liter and 40 liters of fuel capacity of this Honda new 5th generation. Very nice. It's a massive enough of 40. So once again, let's give a throttle and see the performance. So now I'm in the first gear, 2500 rpm. No wheel spin of 2500 rpm. It's only a wheel spin in 3000 rpm. So not a punchy as in second gear. So as we increasing the gears, the performance is very nice. When lower downing the gears, it is not so good as punchy. but I hate the transmission sound coming to the cabin. It's at this price segment also, it's a too loudest sound inside the cabin. And overall good refundable engine, I know that, but also a sounds in the engine coming to the cabin, I don't like that. Honda City is a very decent and silent engine, but also it's a higher sounds. Suspension is stiffery and smooth. Turning radius is enough. This vehicle manual transmission is better, far better than the auto, because we can drive easily in city, metropolitan cities, in highways. So auto transmission is somehow, gear shift is somehow not so good. I think it's better than that. So this is, I guess that this is better engine than that manual. Overall good performance, good braking, steering is good. The hold of steering is very nice feel, and the view at the front is very nice. So this is a test drive and overall good performance. I am giving 10 out of 8 to this vehicle. I give 10 out of 7 to the auto, so this is far better than that. So I am giving 10 out of 8, and ground clearance is also massive enough. Of course it's not a XUV, but also massive enough of this. This is a test drive, and once again last and final touch of giving a throttle, and let's check. So now I'm in the first gear. Light wheel spin of rear, and it's a front wheel drive. Of course it won't get the wheel spin as much we expected, so it's a front wheel drive. And the price of the vehicle is starting at 12.39 lakhs and top end variant of 14.67 lakhs, as Honda said, of on-road Mumbai. So I don't know exactly in Hyderabad. So this is a price segment. Price is also decent enough. So this is a test drive video. If you like, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, follow my Instagram link in the description. Thank you so much for watching.